Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Western Union's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Western Union's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in westernunion.com and make a search. The official page of Western Union's account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed options, tap on Login option. On the next page, enter your email address and password associated with your Western Union's account and tap on Continue. Tick mark on the box that says Remember Me in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Western Union's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.